And welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today we have the Syncwire phone vent holder. So I got this. This is a free product and this is a paid review. Let's see what this thing is all about, shall we? Let's unbox it. First thing I see here is we got some instructions. This is the part that actually clips into your vent right here. The reason I know about these is my phone is being held by a vent holder right now. This is actually going to go on my wife. I'm on the passenger side. I got this when a vendor gave this to me. I was like, perfect. I can get one for my wife on my wife's side of the car. So this is great. So as you can see, you just disconnect this here. Make it fairly tight so that it adjusts, but it's tough to adjust, you know? Now what you do around, so that this little clip is going to clip onto the vent, okay? And then you see how that went down? See that? See that, how it goes up and down? So you put that. So what you have to do here is you have to turn this back far enough so that it will lock into your vent. I did goof that up a little bit. So when you get it, it's like this, and that's not deep enough to lock into your vent. So then what I did is you turn this all the way back, like so that you can. So now it's ready to go in your vent. So, and then you tighten it all back. You can see that orange piece back there coming up. Lock on to the vent, and now it is tight and it locks. So then you just open up your deal and you put your phone on. And then you have a nice phone. And then down here there's a place for a cord. You plug your cord in right there. That's pretty slick. Go out and get your Syncwire vent phone holder. It works really good. Very sturdy.